Why do some people get instant respect the moment they speak, while others are ignored or talked over? Is it confidence, tone, or something deeper? The Stoics believed that how you speak reflects who you are inside. As Epictetus said, first learn the meaning of what you say, and then speak. In today's world, full of noise, speaking with calm, clarity, and purpose stands out. People listen to those who speak with intention, not volume. As Marcus Aurelius wrote, waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one. Let's explore how Stoic wisdom can sharpen your speech and your presence. 1. Speak less, say more. One of the most powerful Stoic lessons about speech is simple. Talk less, say more. The Stoics believed that wisdom isn't shown by how much we speak, but by what we choose to say. Zeno of Citium, the founder of Stoicism, said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we should listen more and speak less." Think about it. When someone speaks only when they have something meaningful to say, people naturally listen. Being quiet isn't weakness. It's a sign that you're thinking, and that makes your words more powerful when you do speak. In a group, people who speak slowly, clearly, and only when needed are often seen as more intelligent and confident. A study from the University of Michigan found that those who speak less in meetings are often rated as smarter and more competent, as long as their few words carry weight. So next time you're in a conversation, don't rush to fill the silence. Use it. Let your words be few but sharp. 2. Control emotions before you speak. Another Stoic lesson is to never let emotions control your mouth. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to say things we regret. But Marcus Aurelius reminds us, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Respect comes from calmness. When you stay calm, even under pressure, people notice. It shows discipline. Before you speak, ask yourself, am I reacting or responding? A Harvard study showed that people who pause even for just 2 seconds before speaking are seen as more thoughtful. That small pause helps you gather your thoughts and speak with clarity, not emotion. It's not about being robotic, it's about being in control. When your voice stays steady and your message is clear, others respect you more. 3. Your body also speaks. Respect isn't just about the words you say, it's also how you carry yourself. The Stoics believed that the outer should reflect the inner. In other words, if you want to sound confident, you have to look confident too. Stand tall. Keep your shoulders back. Look people in the eye when you speak. These small things tell others, I respect myself, and you should too. Epictetus said, first say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. If you want to be respected, act like someone worthy of respect. People notice your tone, your body language, and your energy even before they hear your words. Make them match. 4. Speak with purpose, not just to fill space. In the age of endless talking, the Stoics teach us the value of purposeful silence. Speak when your words add value, not just because there's a gap to fill. Seneca wrote, speech is the mirror of the mind. So don't just talk, think, then speak with intention. Avoid over-explaining. Use simple words. Be clear. Before you speak, ask yourself, is this true? Is it necessary? Is it kind? That filter turns noise into wisdom. And when people hear someone who speaks with purpose, they don't just listen, they respect. In the end, speaking with respect isn't about sounding smart. It's about being real, calm, and thoughtful. The Stoics believed, he who speaks without modesty will find it difficult to make his words good. Confucius echoes this too. People respect those who stay calm under pressure and speak with purpose. As Epictetus said, "We have two ears and one mouth, so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." Let your words carry meaning, not noise. Speak less, mean more, and carry yourself with quiet strength. That's how you earn respect, without ever needing to ask for it.